food reviewer. Review some stuff on the YouTube. You never knew, such a cool dude. I keep it so fly, you never know why. Cause let's review some food. Hey guys, food reviewer here. Today we're gonna review some old chips I found on the top of my refrigerator. They're Lay's Wavy Barbecue and Lay's Honey Barbecue. So we're gonna see if this is a buy. Let me move the camera over here so you can see. So let me try these right quick. Gonna see if it's a buy. They taste pretty old. Oh yeah. I also forgot. I just found this licorice that I found in my room from a few months ago that I was looking for. We're gonna try this too. But these chips are pretty good. They're barbecuey. It's kind of old, but they're pretty good. Let's try this licorice. Oh my god. I don't know if the licorice is supposed to be crunchy like this. It still tastes like strawberry. I like the old crunchiness of the licorice. But a lot of people don't like that because it's probably old, but yeah. Well, the chips, the wavy ones right here. That's a buy right there. These ones, the non-wavy ones, that's not a buy. And for me the licorice is a buy. Even though it's really crunchy, but it's a buy. So that's all for today. This is a buy. This isn't a buy. And this is a buy. So yeah. So see you next time. Bye.